test rig overheating. Everyone, stay alert! We need a better approach, or this will spiral out of control. Look over there. A smarter route to stabilize the rig.
Got it. We'll keep steady while you guide us.
Shaking lines. This is getting tricky.
Hold tight. Let's secure the hook before it slides further.
The clock's ticking. We don't have much time.
Then we move together. One clean move to lock this in.
On my mark now. Steady and precise. It's working. Hold it, hold it. Cargo locked in. We did it! That's teamwork in action. Great job, everyone. Lesson of the day. Watch, plan, act calmly together. Now it's your turn. Tell us your favorite moment in the comments below.